Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hand trucks that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Magliner HMK111AA1 aluminum hand truck. The horizontal loop handle of this hand truck makes it super convenient to use. With it, you will be able to position your hands on the handle at your preference with ease. The great part is the aluminum frame and nose plate of the unit. It is lightweight yet tough enough to hold up to 500 pounds of weight, which is simply incredible. Not to mention that it is also rust and corrosion resistant. Its quality and durability are just great. Another thing that we like about this hand truck is its wheels with semi-precision bearings. The wheels play a great part in reducing friction while supporting the load at the same time. You may spend some time assembling it, but its quality and performance are absolutely amazing. It has everything you need from comfort to durability in handling loads, so let's see if you like this option. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mount It folding hand truck. With premium construction from aluminum alloy, this compact hand truck is super tough and durable. It can hold up to 264 pounds in weight while making it so convenient for you to maneuver. This hand truck comes with a telescoping handle that you can adjust up to 42 inches for convenient handling. On top of that, it also comes with soft rubber foam on the handle for extra grip and strength as well. That is not all. This hand truck comes with large rubber wheels for a smooth maneuver. Along with that, those wheels also offer noiseless operation as well despite the weight you put on it. The best part is that you can easily fold it down flat for easy storage and transport. Not to mention that it also comes with a bungee cord to secure the loads. This is simply one of the best hand trucks that you should take into consideration. At number 3, we have the Rock 'N' Roller R2RT Micro 8-in-1 folding multi-cart hand truck. This is one of the best hand trucks that you really should not overlook. You can instantly transform it into 8 different shapes that resemble 8 different cart types. That way, you can easily use this one unit to load items for various purposes with ease. To deliver such convenience, this hand truck comes with the construction from high-quality material. Along with that, it also features texture powder coating as well to reduce slippage during transport. One more thing that we like about it is the R-Track tires for extra convenience and comfort. The awesome thing is that it offers a smooth ride with excellent traction even with heavy loads. This hand truck comes with a few other colors that you can choose from. The choice is yours. If you have various loads to handle with little space for hand trucks, this is the option to consider. So don't forget to check it out. At number 2, we have the Harper Trucks lightweight 400 pounds capacity glass-filled nylon plastic convertible hand truck. With I-beam glass-filled nylon plastic frame construction, this hand truck is 30% lighter than steel. That is to make sure that it is easy to handle while remaining tough and sturdy for you. The special part is that it features the convertible construction that you can convert within seconds. You can transform this 4-wheel hand truck into a 4-wheel cart right away. It can handle 300 pounds in dolly mode and 400 pounds in cart mode. Either way, the wheels come with solid rubber tread along with swivel casters. The design is to deliver a reliable and smooth glide while carrying the load for you. Plus, with 3-position telescoping handle, this hand truck is one of the best to choose. This option is sturdy and durable, and you will not regret picking this option. So let's see if this hand truck has everything you want to have. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cosco 12222 PBG1E Shifter 300-pound capacity multi-position heavy-duty folding dolly. With the durable steel frame design, this hand truck is heavy-duty enough to handle 300 pounds of weight. The thing that we like about it is that it is very easy and convenient to use. The special part is that this hand truck offers multiple positions that you can convert within seconds. You can use it as either a 2-wheel upright hand truck or a 4-wheel cart. Either way, it provides the same amount of support to handle your load with quality. This hand truck is super sturdy and durable, and its long-lasting quality will not let you down. After use, you can easily fold it flat for storage or transport. It is actually light so that you can carry it around with ease. Plus, with its compact size, it fits in most sizes of car trunks without taking up too much space at all. This is one of the best hand trucks that thousands of users are happy with. Many of them recommend this option for daily and heavy-duty use, so let's see if you like it too.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.